Now, before we get started, just to bring some reality on a lighter note, and this is actually what happens in most organizations today, is whenever the question floats around, how quickly can you fix a problem? Somebody walks up to engineering and says, how quickly can you fix a bug? And the answer is, I won't know until I dig in. But there's always a forced scenario where you have to give me a time. And if there is even a guesstimate in play, guess what? That becomes the time, right? So I think Dilbert captures it really well, and it plays into today's topic today. Now, a few weeks ago, we actually had a webinar that focused on two key elements where a hot topic today stands on DevOps particularly. And those two key elements are speed and stability. Now, whether you have DevOps as your implementation philosophy or Agile, or whatever way you deliver value to customers, who doesn't want speed and stability? Now, there are a number of metrics that focus on speed and stability, DORA metrics being one key example from a DevOps perspective. But what doesn't get necessarily as much attention is speed doesn't come automatically. And if speed has challenges, what are those underlying processes that need to be in place to make sure speed and stability are in the right direction, right? So before we talk about speed and how to achieve speed, one important element is to examine what I call the speed bumps. What are those speed bumps when it comes to issues, vulnerabilities, incidents, and getting to the source of it? Because if you can't fix it quickly, obviously you're not going to be able to deliver and go out the door quickly.